I really, really, we are. So kids, don't be afraid to dance. Adults, don't be afraid to follow the kids' example, because they got some moves. They can teach you some moves, these little ones. I'm watching these moves. I'm gonna use them the next time I'm boogieing down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up the circle. Is our brother, our sister is the moon. Why do we disrespect our mother earth when the time comes so soon? We're disrespecting our mother when the time comes so soon. Right before your very eyes, the sun, the earth, the sky, rivers flow into the sea. Everywhere. strangers. Open up the circle. There are no strangers, I swear. We are all brothers and sisters under the sun. We're all brothers and sisters going for the one, yes. And the sun is our brother, our fair sister is the moon. Why we disrespect our Mother Earth? Time comes so soon, yes. We are disrespecting our mother, and the time comes so soon. Behind your very eye, yeah, yeah. The sun, the moon, the earth,